Hi everyone, Natasha here, and around my home today we are in the kitchen. It is Wednesday, November 27th, so happy Wednesday, happy Anti-Procrastination Day, and as you know, if you're in the US, tomorrow is Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness, so your mission for today, we're going to talk about the Fly Ladies Cruising Through the Holidays mission, and we are on to mission number 28. And even though this isn't necessarily the zone for the kitchen, because of Thanksgiving, we are spending 15 minutes in the kitchen just making sure everything is tidy and clean. Either some point during the day, if you're actually hosting Thanksgiving, then you're probably working on a few other things in here. But if not, if you're not hosting, it's just a reminder to make sure your kitchen is cleaned up and ready to go when you go to sleep tonight so that you can wake up tomorrow and just start working in here if you are going to be preparing a meal, or if you're like me, I'm just making a few sides to take to different family gatherings at different houses. So take your 15 minutes. The Fly Lady is just reminding us also to take breaks, and you can either do where you work for 10 minutes, take a 5-minute break, or work for 15 and take a 5-minute break. Or she has another method called crisis cleaning, and you work for 15 minutes in the main room. So like say the kitchen is where you're going to start. So spend 15 minutes just tidying up, clearing counters, putting dishes away, getting it kind of back to where it's presentable, and then move on to the bathroom for 15 minutes so that that's ready for guests if you're going to be hosting especially. And then finally for 15 minutes, you're going to work on the living room or the other main entertaining area of the house. And then take a break for 15 minutes. So within an hour, you're working for 45 minutes and then taking a 15-minute break. Use that break to sit down, get a drink of water, take a look at your to-do list, and make sure you're just taking baby steps and crossing things off little by little so that you can feel successful and feel like you're making good progress, but not getting overwhelmed and making it a huge project. So it's about just balancing our time and energy so we can still accomplish what needs to get done, not get overwhelmed, not get too stressed, and enjoy the process as much as possible. So that is your mission for today. Spend 15 minutes in the kitchen and do yourself some favors for tomorrow so that you're ready to go. So thanks for joining me. Stay tuned, and we'll be hitting the next mission tomorrow. Happy Thanksgiving if you were in the United States and celebrating that tomorrow. And I'm sending special thoughts and prayers out to any of you that need it if this is a hard time. I know we have some family members in our own family that are no longer with us that, the holidays are just bittersweet for a lot of reasons for lots of people. So if that's not you, but you know someone, just keep them in your thoughts. Maybe invite them over. Make it as enjoyable as we can. So thanks again for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button down below. And I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. And happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.